Good morning, viewers. US-based memory supplier Micron Technology announced Wednesday that it will discontinue its crucial consumer business, a major move signaling the intensifying competition for high-powered artificial intelligence components. Micron business chief Sumit Sadana stated the company made the difficult decision to exit the consumer segment, which included selling memory sticks and solid-state drives for PC builders, in order to improve supply for its larger strategic customers in faster-growing segments. This pivot is the latest evidence that the massive AI infrastructure boom is draining resources from the traditional tech market. The demand for advanced memory is surging, driven by companies committing hundreds of billions to build huge data centers. The most advanced AI chips, such as Nvidia's GB200 and Google's Ironwood TPU, require massive amounts of high-bandwidth memory, HBM. For instance, AMD's MI350 AI chip uses 288 gigabytes of HBM, far exceeding the 16 gigabytes typically found in consumer laptops. Micron, the sole US supplier competing against SK Hynix and Samsung in the HBM market, is capitalizing on this demand. While the crucial business wasn't detailed in earnings, Micron's cloud memory unit saw 213% year-over-year growth in the most recent quarter. Despite a slight dip in share price on the news, Micron's stock is up 175% this year, reflecting strong investor confidence in the company's focus on the rapidly expanding, highly profitable AI sector.